Hey guys, and today we are going to be doing building a Angry Bird set. Before we go to that, if you guys who don't know what Angry Bird is, it's a game where you play that I love being real. So first you would need one block to place it in the center. But then you'll need another wooden block piece. That's Angry Bird. So then when you're done, you're going to need two of these. If you can't buy them anymore, you will have to get $8. You need one small wooden piece and one small stone piece. And then you need this one to cover it up. And then you need two golden ones. And again, you could get these little plates over. You will need those. You'll need one cube, one piggy connectable with the helmet, one Forceman pig right here, got it, and one Darth Vader person. You will need a square tree. But to make this, you will have to put them in this order, the Angry Birds. Red goes first, Chuck goes next, Blue goes next, Bomb, Chuck, and Tails. And if you want to make it easier, you could add a space Chuck, but you will. Then just now you will have to try the level. And if you want, you can make a launcher. But I will get that right now. So I'm just gonna go grab something else. There we go, I grabbed it. I didn't want you guys to waste your time. So here it is. So now let's play this. If you read this one, let's do it. So it will be easy. As you can see. But stay in the camera for this guy. I don't think you should count that one. You could play them in a different order, but you will. So if you can't do that bit, you could stop yourself. Like this. And now the last one. So if there's a piggy left, sometimes you use superpowers or you use an egg. So I'm gonna act like I have an egg and rejoin it. So in the game, this guy uses force. So if he uses force, he would get knocked out. So that's why. So we're going to go to the north set. First, you're gonna place a big stone block, and now wooden big block. Then you need to place the launcher in the center of them. And in the center where the launcher is, you gotta put a little wooden block piece that is Angry Bird. So then, if your piggy got broken, you will need to fix him, and you will need the same material. But it's gonna be less hard. So then, you need a piggy. And I'll show you where it goes right now. And it goes right here. And then you need a triangle block to put it right in the center where the piggy is. So after that's done, you gotta put them together. And then on top, you have to make a little stone brick. Then when you put that on, you put the Forceman brick on top of it. And besides, you need two golden bricks things that you get either on Happy Meal or buying. After those two golden blocks, you put the wooden block in front of them. And then you need to put your box here. And then you gotta put your square thing here. And then put Darth Vader on top of this. So now we're gonna play the level. Of course, you can't get any way this time. so easy. You don't have to follow the rules, so you could make it your own way if you want. But just to make it a regular way, it has to be a specific order. Like I said, you can put it anywhere. So now we're going to be reviewing the toys we use. So we use Space Red, Chuck, Space Chuck, Darth Vader, big one, Horseman Pig, another Chuck, 2 wooden big pieces, 1 small wooden piece, 1 stone brick big piece, 1 little stone brick piece, 2 of the wooden stand door things, and 2 golden standards, bomb, open Chuck, the square, and him, plus the triangle thing, and Terrence. I'll put him right there. Sorry if you can't see. So now we need blue board. That's Terrence. And we of course the launcher. So these are the pieces. Terrence, square block, bomb, triangle wooden piece, blue board, Darth Vader, Chuck, another Chuck, 3 Chucks, and 1 Space Chuck, red board, square block, Horseman Pig, launcher, helmet pig, 2 golden standard blocks, and 2 wooden standard blocks, 2 wooden big pieces, 1 small wooden piece, 1 big stone piece, and 1 small. So that's all we use. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like and comment below if you want to see me do another video.